Is our blue sky going to change in the future? Is our home, the Milky Way galaxy, on a collision course with another galaxy? And if this collision happens, will it create a massive and terrifying hole? Will our Earth be pulled into that hole, or will we remain safe? How large will that hole actually be? How far will it be from our planet? And is our world truly in danger, or is this simply a cosmic transformation? In today's video, we will uncover the scientific and detailed answers to all of these questions. You are watching the Space Facts channel. This is the 21st journey of our universe series. The universe looks calm and silent, but in reality, it is full of powerful and ongoing events. Across billions of light years, galaxies are constantly moving, slowly drifting toward each other under the influence of gravity. Over millions and billions of years, these movements lead to gigantic cosmic encounters known as galaxy collisions and mergers. These events do not happen suddenly. They unfold so slowly that they are invisible on a human timescale, but they play a crucial role in shaping the universe. What is a galaxy collision? A galaxy collision occurs when two or more galaxies move close enough that their gravitational fields begin to interact and eventually merge. An important fact to understand is that galaxies are mostly made of empty space. Because stars are separated by enormous distances, direct star-to-star collisions are extremely rare. Instead, the real interaction takes place between gravitational forces, massive clouds of gas and dust, and vast structures of dark matter. Why galaxies collide? Everything with mass produces gravity, and galaxies are no exception. When galaxies exist within the same group or cluster, they begin to feel each other's gravitational pull. Over time, this attraction grows stronger and pulls them closer together. Eventually, a collision becomes unavoidable. These encounters are a natural part of the universe's long-term evolution. Stages of a galaxy collision. The process begins with an early approach when two galaxies move closer and their shapes start to distort. Spiral arms bend and gas clouds become unstable. During the first close encounter, long streams of stars known as tidal tails are pulled outward by gravity, creating breathtaking cosmic structures. As the interaction intensifies, gas clouds collide and compress, triggering a powerful burst of star formation known as the starburst phase. In the final stage, the galaxies fully merge into a single, larger system, often forming an elliptical galaxy. What happens to the stars? Despite the violence of a galaxy collision, most stars survive. Because of the vast distances between them, stars usually do not collide. Instead, they move into new orbits within the merged galaxy. The overall structure of the galaxy changes dramatically, but the stars themselves remain intact. Birth of new stars. Galaxy mergers are among the most effective star-forming events in the universe. When gas clouds compress during a collision, new stars ignite in enormous numbers. In some mergers, millions of stars can form within a relatively short cosmic period. This is why galaxy collisions are often described as cosmic star factories. The role of central black holes. Nearly every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. When galaxies merge, their central regions move closer together, and their black holes begin to orbit one another. Over time, these two black holes lose energy and spiral inward until they merge, forming a single, even more massive black hole. This process releases tremendous energy and generates gravitational waves that ripple through space itself. The dangers of massive black holes. Massive black holes exert extreme gravitational forces. Gas and matter near them can be pulled inward at incredible speeds, releasing intense radiation. Their influence can alter the motion of stars across an entire galaxy. However, these effects are strongest only near the black hole itself, and their reach is limited by distance. Is Earth in danger? Although galaxy collisions and black hole mergers sound terrifying, Earth is expected to remain safe. Our planet is located far from the center of the Milky Way, and even during future galactic mergers, the distances involved are so vast that Earth is unlikely to be directly affected. While the night sky may change dramatically, our solar system is expected to survive. The future of the Milky Way. Scientists predict that the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy in about 4 to 5 billion years. This event will not be a sudden catastrophe, but a slow and majestic transformation. Over time, the two galaxies will merge into a single, massive galaxy with a new structure and appearance. Destruction or creation? Galaxy collisions may seem destructive, but they are also acts of creation. They give rise to new stars, new galactic structures, and new cosmic environments. Much of what we see in the universe today exists because of ancient mergers that took place billions of years ago. Why scientists study galaxy mergers? By studying galaxy collisions and mergers, scientists learn how galaxies form and evolve, how black holes grow, how stars and planetary systems are created, and how the universe changes over time. These events are keys to understanding the universe's past and predicting its future. Conclusion: a universe in motion. The universe is never still. Galaxies continue to move, collide, merge, and transform. We are part of this vast cosmic story, even if we experience only a tiny moment of it. This was the 21st journey of our Universe series, Galaxy Collisions and Mergers. If you want to understand the universe more deeply and scientifically, explore our long videos and stay with us on this incredible cosmic journey, because the story of the universe is far from over.